Wait, are you amongst those that grabs their phones first thing in the morning like a morning ritual? And you find yourself doing things like scrolling on the internet, texting, or just checking social media? But how does it sound if you could use that same energy to make up to $300 a day instead? Not next year, not next month, but starting right now. Thousands are already doing it, and today I'm going to show you exactly how. Let's cut through the noise. Forget about surveys, that barely pays for coffee. We are talking about real income streams you can run from your phone. The first method is freelancing through apps like Upwork or Fiverr. If you can write, design, edit videos, or even make tutorials, you can stand a chance to land clients today. One project can earn you $50 to $200, and stacking just two of those can get you that $300 mark. Second, reselling and e-commerce. Apps like eBay, Poshmark, or even Shopify let you flip products directly from your phone. People are making hundreds daily just by reselling sneakers, clothes, or other gadgets. The barrier to entry is quite low, but the upside is massive if you are consistent. And third is content creation. Apps like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can turn your ideas into serious income. Ad revenues, sponsorships, affiliate deals, just name it. It takes time to grow, but once you build an audience, $300 daily becomes a baseline, not the dream. Now here is the bombshell. You don't have to wait weeks or months to get started. You could sign up on a freelance app tonight, land a project, and earn your first dollar within 24 hours. The difference between those who make it and those that don't is simple. They take action. So, if you're serious about hitting that $300 daily mark, drop a comment below on which of these three methods excites you the most, and make sure you subscribe to the $1 Million Success Fine Prints, because the next video could be that blueprint that changes your financial future. See you next time.